So good morning guys sa mga Pilipino all around the country. Good morning.
Good morning guys. Yeah, hi from Philippines. How do you, we have colostomy bag. We have colostomy bag in our stomach.
So good morning guys.
Welcome guys to our live. Thank you, Sir Nikki. Thank you, Sir Arteri. Arteri or Ma'am Arteri. Welcome guys to our we can't walk. We can't walk. But we use this to get move around. Yeah.
Thank you again.
Thank you again, Arteri. Sir Arteri.
All the Pilipino guys sana.
Yan na,
sending love.
Sending love.
Good morning.
Good morning guys. I-check out nyo na yun guys, all the Filipino guys. No, we can't walk. We can't walk. Obrigado. Obrigado. I-check out nyo na yun, all the Filipino dyan sa 18 na product natin. Mag-comment kayo guys. Pero yung piniplex natin ngayon mga boss, mga Ma'am Catherine ha. For only 139 lang ito mga boss, mga madam. I-check out na. Ma'am din ha. Hi from Philippines.
From Philippines.
From Philippines. Boom dia. Boom dia. Boom dia. Welcome guys to our live. Welcome. Ma'am din hi.
Good
morning guys. I-check out na yan mga boss, mga madam, sa mga naghahanap na t-shirt guys na long, na ganito guys, na stripe, pero cotton guys, napaka-quality guys, napaka-quality. For only 139 pesos lang yung mga boss, mga madam. I-check out na yan guys. I-check out na yan.
Kasi magpa-flex lang kayo.
Yeah, magpa-flex lang guys kung anong gusto nyo. I-check out yan guys sa 9 na 18 na products natin guys. Obrigado, obrigado.
To all
Viewers, kamsahamnida.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. Welcome guys to our live. Mami ha, Sir Rebecca, Ma'am Rebecca, Ma'am Gasi. Thank you guys sa mga nag-check. Sir Gazal, hi.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. Happy October everyone. Keep safe everyone. Right now in the Philippines, it's bad weather.
Yeah.
Bad weather in the Philippines right now. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for joining. Isang lugar po ba kayo? From Pangasinan, province of Pangasinan in the Philippines. Yeah. So good morning guys.
How old are you?
24 years old. Everything that you ever dream of disappearing when you. So welcome guys to our live. Even when the changes, it will never change. Me and you. Welcome guys to our live. 2 for viewers, good morning. 2,000 viewers, good morning. Sis. Thank you.
Hi guys.
Welcome Ma'am Maria, Ma'am Marie Claire, hi. Ma'am Marie Claire.
Good morning.
Good morning guys.
Pilipino
Counting good morning Ma'am Bernarda, hi. Yeah. Thank you again Ma'am Marie, Sir Bernardo. Bernarda, Ma'am Bernarda.
Sa mga Pilipino siya.
Hopefully mga boss, mga Pilipino, makapag-check out kayo habang yung ka-sale sila. Habulin natin guys yung sale natin. Thank you. Just so fast. The changes that you so Romic Entertain, hi. Entertainment boss, hi. Welcome to our live entertainment boss. Good morning guys. Good morning, Sir Efran, Sir Nikki, hi. Welcome guys to our live. Sir Entertainment, where are you from? From Entertainment boss. Thank you. Wow.
Entertainment boss.
Thank you, Entertainment boss.
Hey guys, hi.
What's color? Color blue. Our favorite color. Entertainment boss.
Good morning.
Good morning. From Jamaica. From Philippines. From Philippines. Ma'am Adela Almonte, thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How do you know?
We can't walk, but we use this to get more around. Entertainment Boss, thank you. And from Sir Ma'am Adela or Sir Adela. We are from Philippines.
Good
Good morning everyone.
Sa mga
Let's change it. Also, the Filipino boss, mga boss, i-check out na yan guys. Haba, naka-sale sila guys for only 139 pesos lang yan. Thank you, Sorgan, Hakima. Thank you, Entertainment Boss. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Even you're not buying for our products, guys. Thank you guys for coming. For your support. So good morning everyone. Welcome guys to our live.
Good morning.
Good morning guys. Welcome guys to our live. Welcome guys to our. Thank you Ma'am Adela or Sir Adela.
Entertainment.
Thank you Ma'am Adela.
Good morning.
Good morning everyone. Hello from Sydney, Australia. Hi from Philippines. Yeah. Welcome guys to our live. Thank you guys sa mga nag-check. Ma'am Adela.
Sa mga nag-check out din guys.
Thank you guys sa blessing. Thank you.
Say good morning guys. Sa mga Pilipino dyan guys.
All the Filipino mga boss, mga madam, i-check out na yun guys. I-check out na yun habang naka-sale sila.
Say good morning guys.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Sa mga Pilipino dyan guys.
Guys, i-check out na yun guys. Dyan Center 18 na. Promise natin mag-comment kayo dyan mga boss, mga vlog. Thank you Ola. Thank you again Ma'am Adela or Sir Adela. Adela Almonte, thank you.
Hi guys.
Welcome guys to our live. Bye from Philippines.
From Philippines. Adela.
Ma'am Adela, Ma'am Jennifer, Sir Amoy Jonathan, Sir Amoy, hi.
Good morning.
Good morning everyone. Jonathan.
Good morning.
Thank you. Spicy, thank you so Lara, thank you guys for coming, thank you.
Sa mga nagsasagot ka.
Welcome from Aniresa.
Good morning
everyone.
Hello guys.
Thank you guys from the other God to even that. Yeah, be happy every day. Ma'am Mika, Mariposa, hi. Sir Jonathan. Welcome, thank you guys. Sir Spicy or Ma'am Spicy, thank you. Yeah, so also all the Filipino mga boss, mga madam, i-check out din guys dyan sa 18 na products nga. Happy every day, yeah. Spread the love, yeah. Spread the good vibe.
Say good morning. 2,000 viewers.
Good morning guys. Welcome guys to our live. I-check out natin yung mga boss, mga madam guys dyan sa 18 na product natin guys.
What's your name daw?
My name is Dan. Daniel. Sir Adela or Ma'am Adela. Thank you. Douglas, hi.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Horse. Hi, Horse God.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome, guys, to our live. Welcome, guys, to our live.
All the
Filipino mga boss, mga madam, check out natin guys for Sir Anthony. Hi, Sir Horse. Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Jessica, Letty. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I'm speechless. Yeah.
So good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. Salamat guys sa mga nag-check out rin. Thank you. Hopefully all the Filipino. Daniel. Yeah.
So good morning, guys.
Everyone. Ma'am Becca, Mrs. Odoka, Ma'am Becca D.
Good morning.
Welcome guys to our live.
Sa mga all the people.
Different feelings, different thinking. Yeah, different thinking. Thank you guys. Ma'am Adela, Sir Adela. Ma'am Becca, thank you again. Thank you guys for your support. Even you're not buying for our product. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for coming.
So good morning,
Good morning everyone. Sir Doug Larson. Sir Koto. 감사합니다. Sir Horse. Thank you, Sir Horse.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Sir Douglas. Who is older? Me. I'm older. My younger brother. I'm older. Welcome guys. Our 5 viewers. Good morning. Ayun guys, sa 18 na products natin guys, all the Filipinos, sa mga gusto nyo i-check out na guys, i-check out ng guys,
Sa mga
only 130 na pesos guys. Sa all the Filipino bagong paso, magandang umaga. Boom diyan.
Good morning, guys. Wow.
Wow, Sir Horse.
Sir
Horse.
Good morning.
Good morning guys.
Sir Horse.
Sir Horse. Sir Hector. Hello. Thank you so much, Sir Horse. I-check out natin yung mga boss, mga odang sa all the Filipinos sa magandang. Kamsahamnida. Arigatou gozaimasu. Good morning in the Philippines.
Sir Horse again.
Thank you, Sir Horse. Sergio, hi. Ma'am Lapocha. Ma'am Lapecho, hi. One for viewers. Good morning, guys. Sherry, Ma'am Sherry.
Thank you guys sa mga
Thank you guys. Thank you guys sa mga check up. Thank you guys for the gift. We're in the Philippines, province of Pangasinan.
Hello, twins. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Ma'am Sherry.
Sir Horse again.
Sir Horse, thank you so much.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, Ma'am Lapechona. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Ma'am Sherry, thank you, guys.
Sa mga nag-check out.
Again, thank you, guys, sa mga nag-check. Thank you, Ma'am Sherry.
Hello from Philippines.
Hi from Philippines. Miss Peace Life. Ayun, comment lang kayo dyan mga boss, mga Filipino guys. Ako anong gusto nyo i-check out. Welcome, Ma'am Sherry Bell. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for coming.
Good morning.
Good morning everyone. Good morning.
Sisi ano to? Sir Horse.
Sir Horse, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Sir Horse God. Hi.
Sir Horse, thank you. Hello guys.
Hello everyone.
All the people in our
country, good morning. Yeah. Do you go to school? No, we can go to school. Hit home only here in the home. What's time? The time is 9:33. 9:33 AM in the Philippines. Thank you, Sir Horse. Thank you, Sir Horse. Thank you so much, Sir Sabar.
Thank you, Sir Horse.
Thank you, Speechless, Sir Horse. Are you in the States? No, I'm the Philippines. We are from Philippines. Thank you, Sir Horse.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Sir Horse, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sir Horse. Where are you from? Philippines. Yeah, we are from Philippines.
So good morning,
guys. Good morning.
Hello.
Sir Sabar, good morning. Thank you.
Sir Horse.
Sir Moses, Ma'am Sherry. Yeah, right now guys in the Philippines it's raining. Raining in the Philippines right now because the bad weather. Because the typhoon in the Philippines right now. So very noisy guys. So very noisy. Ma'am Sherry. Ma'am Sherry, thank you. Good morning everyone. Thank you guys for the share this live for the top. Also all the Filipino mga boss makapag-check out kayo guys habang naka-sale sila guys. All the Filipino check out na yun. Habang naka-sale sila guys. Yeah, can be friends. Yeah, we can be friends. Thank you again Ma'am Sherry. And Sir Horse.
Thank you.
Watermelon.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, guys. Sir George. 21 viewers. Good morning.
All the Pilipino dyan sa...
Hopefully, guys, all the Pilipino dyan sa 18 na products natin, guys, makapag-check out kayo. Thank you, guys. Won't you still love me dancing if I show you my phone? Ma'am Doretta. Sir Ho. Doretta. If I got, yeah, right now, guys, it's raining. Raining, guys. Raining in our place, because the bad weather. Ma'am, thank you, Ma'am Sherry and Sir Saba.
Personal timer.
Thank you, 504. 504 Catracho. Thank you, Sir 504.
Good morning, all the Pilipino guys. Naka-flight lang kayo. Sir host, where are you? Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Are you parents with you? Yeah, we live with parents. Yeah, we live with parents. Sir Clifford, 2,000 viewers. Good morning.
24,
Yeah, 24. Exactly. 24 years old.
Sa mga Pilipino
Yan guys, all the Pilipino mga boss, mga madam, hopefully makapag-check out kayo yan habang nakasale sila. Obrigado! I-share guys. Thank you guys for the top na. Yeah, we have 2 brothers. What do you guys do for? Yeah, we use this to get more. Yeah, we just fun.
Thank you.
Wait a minute guys, wait a minute.
Good morning guys, wait a minute guys. Wait a minute guys. Good morning guys.
Good morning everyone.
Hello.
Hello everyone, viewers. We have colostomy bag. Yeah, we have colostomy bag for the bag. So all the Filipinos sa 21 viewers natin.
Good morning, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Thank you for coming. So let's eat guys, let's eat bread. Yeah. Break time guys, break time. Thank you guys. So all the Filipino mga boss na check out nilang dyan sa 18 na products natin. Thank you guys. So let's eat guys, let's eat.
Hello.
I'm going to go for her.
Mm.
Yeah,
Good morning.